Okay guys, welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel. Today what we're gonna make some plantain porridge. So here's all the ingredients. 2 plantain, we have the Armani flavoring, we also have the gray sweet condensed milk, we also have the coronation milk, some cinnamon powder, half nutmeg, we also have some Benjamin vanilla, we have some Armani essence, and we also have here some Betty cinnamon vanilla and nutmeg. And I'm also going to use some of this lactale milk. Here we have the flour, and we're also going to use sugar. So first we're going to do, we're going to peel the plantain, then we're going to blend everything together, guys. So check it out. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. See guys, I cut the plantain up. I'm going to add a cup of flour. I'm also going to add 1 cup coronation milk. So guys, I'm also adding a cup of coronation milk. Also gonna add probably a teaspoon of the Armani spice, teaspoon of the Armani SS spice. Also gonna add 1 glass of the oat milk. What we're gonna do, we're gonna blend it at this moment. So over here guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the cinnamon powder to the boiling water, to the pot. No, cinnamon is very strong, so I'm not gonna use much, about that amount. If you have cinnamon leaf, you can also use cinnamon leaf to the water. So I'm gonna let that boil. As soon as that boil up, then I'm gonna add. Okay guys, so now the pot is boiling up, viewers and subscribers. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the blend. I'm gonna add it to the pot. And what you wanna do immediately guys, you wanna start stirring. That ingredient, see? You're gonna stir until it get thickening, so you don't leave any lumps. So you're gonna stir until there's no lumps and it start boiling, then you know to stop stir and let it cook. So I'm gonna stir for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Whenever the lump is all gone, just keep on stirring. Look at that, you want to get rid of all those lumps. You're gonna keep stir. See, I'm still stirring guys. If it get too thick, what you could do, you could add more water to get it as thin as possible. Oh, you want it. I like it thick like this. Look at that texture. Yeah, I like it like that. So I'm keep on stirring. Keep on stir till it's smooth. Then you could let it boil for like 15 to 20 minutes. So also guys, I had some Grace coconut milk as well. You can add a cup of Grace coconut milk as well to the porridge. So I did add 1 cup of Grace coconut milk to it as well. Also guys, what I'm doing, I'm adding the nutmeg. So I'm grating the nutmeg, you can see right here, into the porridge. You can see. I'm gonna just give that a stir guys. Look at that, looking lovely. After that now, I'm gonna turn it off and then I'm gonna sweeten it. I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna sweeten the porridge with this sweet condensed milk. You sweeten the porridge or you want it to be sweetened. So after, then I'm gonna use the Betty cinnamon, vanilla, and nutmeg, half cream, combined sweet condensed milk as well. So I'm gonna sweeten the porridge with that, and then it's ready. Yes, guys, look at that. That's the finished product. Plantain porridge, looking delicious, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for more videos.